Hello, this is Steve Thoele, Principal Broker with Premier Property Group, and bringing you another quick update on the Sherwood Oregon real estate market. This update will cover the last 6 weeks of market activity ending this past Sunday, March 13th. So I'm going to share my screen with you now and go through some info with you. So first off, we'll look at active listings. Last week in Sherwood, we had 9 new homes come on the market. You can kind of see that's up from the prior couple weeks here. And we ended the week at 13 homes on the market, which was about double what it was the week prior. But overall, it's kind of right in line with kind of where it's been over the past 6 weeks. Looking at the median list price and days on market for the actives, that's fallen a bit. It started off at 622 for the first 3 months here, and then its last 2 weeks, it's kind of come down to 650,000 as the median price. And then the days on market, it's been swinging around a little bit, but we ended this last week at 6 days of average market time for the active listings, kind of matching a low for the 6 weeks here, but down quite a bit from the week prior. Moving on to the pending sales. Last week, we only had 4 homes in Sherwood go pending, so it was kind of a slow week for pendings, down from 9 the week prior. And we ended the week at 61 homes in pending status, which is down from the prior couple weeks. And then the median price and the time on market for those pendings, that's gone up. Low was 689 6 weeks ago, and we sat at about 700 for just about a month. This last week popped up to 722,000 was the median price of the pendings. And then the days on market is kind of straight as an arrow there at 3 days of average market time over this whole last 6 weeks. So things obviously on average going pending very quickly in Sherwood. And then looking at the sold listing activity, as of the time I put this together, I showed that last week in Sherwood we had 10 homes go from pending to sold, up from the prior weeks, kind of a high for the 6 weeks. And then looking back over the last 4 weeks of activity here, we had 27 homes go from pending to sold, and that's high for the 6 weeks as well. Median sold price and days on market, that has gone up, had a low of 549 6 weeks ago. And this last week we came in at 665,000 was the median price of these sold listings over the past 4 weeks. And then days on market here over the past month, it's been right at 4 days. So again, things selling very quickly, no surprise. Lastly, we'll look at the weeks of inventory and the sale price as a percent of the original list price. Red bars is the weeks of inventory. So we had a low of 1.3 weeks last week, a high of 3.6. About 5 weeks back. The past week kind of came in the middle of that, just about 2 weeks of average inventory. And then the sale price as a percent of the list just keeps kind of marching up here. Last couple of weeks has been over, between 5 and 6% over the average list price is kind of where things have been selling for. So obviously super hot, competitive seller's market environment still remains in Sherwood. So that is the update. To get a better look at it, you can always click the link or button below the video and it'll take you to my website where you can have a closer look. So I hope this update's been helpful to you. If you are going to be in the market to buy or sell a home, I certainly would love the opportunity to talk with you and be your trusted guide. So please just give me a call or send me a message and I would be happy to chat with you further. So hope you have a great day and thanks for watching.